Welcome to the world of cutting-edge technology with the iQOO Neo 7 Pro, a smartphone that's all about speed and performance. Featuring a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1 billion colors, HDR10+, and a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, with options of 8GB or 12GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage. The camera setup is featuring a 50MP main sensor with OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens including the 16MP front camera. The iQOO Neo 7 Pro doesn't just look good on the outside, it sounds great too, thanks to its stereo speakers. One of the most impressive features is the 5000 mAh battery, which supports 120W fast charging, getting you to 50% in just 8 minutes. Available in Fearless Flame and Dark Storm. And with a starting price of 29,999 Indian rupees, it offers unparalleled value. So if you're in the market for a new smartphone, iQOO Neo 7 Pro might just be what you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.